Hello everyone. My name is Ananksha Alamyan and welcome back to my channel where I make videos that teach you how you can design the life of your dreams by writing about exactly what you want. If you've been following my journey for a while, you would know that I make videos that teach you the various ways you can make money by writing online. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 websites that pay you upwards of $250 for submitting each article. Now, if that sounds like magic, believe me, it is true. The only catch is these websites have a high bar. Of course, if somebody is paying you $250 for a single article, that article has to be high quality. It can't be something that you randomly wrote in your journal and then submitted. High quality article, original ideas, interesting thought process, captivating hooks, and a strong format throughout the article. These are the 5 elements that will help you get accepted into these amazing websites, and you can start making money starting with $250 for a single article. So are you excited to know about all these websites? Let's get started right away. The first website is called International Living. According to the guidelines of this website, their readership loves beaches, mountains, countryside, and some even love cities. They want to live overseas either part-time or full-time, and most of them want to learn about ways to stretch their dollars and simplify their lives. So if you have a cool story about a particular city or state in the world that you traveled to and had super interesting experiences in, then International Living is just for you. Please note that this website prefers stories that have a strong personal angle that can't be generated by AI and is research heavy. If you are citing some stats, make sure that you are adding the source from where you got that stats from to back up your credibility. The payment is a one-time rate based on the word count. If the editors accept your article, then you're going to be paid depending on how long your article is. The way to submit to International Living is to send them a pitch, and the pitching details are linked in the description of this video. Make sure to check it out. Now, a very interesting part about International Living is before you send your pitch to International Living, you should ask yourself 5 questions. And these 5 questions will help you understand if you are a good fit for them. It will also help the editors understand if they should publish your work or not. The first question is your story original and does it have one clear idea? In the age of internet and Google, what makes your story idea stand out? The second question is, what is the story about and why will readers be interested to read that story? If you are very specific about who your target audience is and what kind of value your article delivers to them, then you can make a very convincing pitch to the editors. The third question is this topic timely? Something that someone who wants to visit that place right now might find some usefulness in. Fourth question is, how can we tell this story with video? Now you have to be very creative while answering this question because this will decide a lot whether your story will be adapted further by the website in a video format or not. And the fifth question is, what makes you the right person to tell this story? According to International Living's guidelines, if you don't have personal experience of the topic, they won't consider it for publication. Readers want insider information and first-hand experiences from people who have actually done what they're writing about. So when you know the answer to these 5 questions, you can send in your pitch answering these 5 questions to the editors of International Living. And if they see value in your pitch, you'll hear back from them and you can start writing your article, submit it, and start making money with it. The second website that we are talking about today is called SitePoint. The niche of this website is for content creators, web developers, designers, and solopreneurs who want to read about the most interesting and cutting-edge technology happening around the world. They currently have 4 major niches in which they accept articles in: web development and design, entrepreneurship and digital marketing, no-code and low-code tools, and development tools and environments. This website specifically accepts technical writing content, and their payment is also based on a per word basis. To be accepted into SitePoint as a writer, you have to first send an email with a pitch stating what your article is about, who will benefit from reading it, and why you are the right person to write that article. And then send this pitch to the editors. You can find the email in the description of this video. I have linked the submission guidelines to SitePoint. So make sure to check it out, because if your article gets accepted, they can pay you on a per word basis. The third website that we are talking about today is called Guideposts. The payment for Guideposts starts at $250 and it can go up depending on the number of words that you have in your article. Guidepost accepts articles based on true stories of people who have overcome some challenge in their life or learned lessons that re-established their faith in religion. A story should be told as a first-person narrative. You can also tell stories of other people in an interview format, but make sure you have their consent. Guideposts accepts two kinds of articles. The first is full-length articles that range from 1200 to 1500 words. They also have shorter feature pieces which run from 300 to 600 words. You can check out more details and how to submit in the description of this video. I have linked the submission guidelines there. So these were the three websites that can pay you $250 or more for each article depending on the quality and the word count. If you are curious about how to write a pitch that gets you accepted, I have made a detailed video covering the 5 elements of a successful pitch. You can find that video linked right here. If you found this video useful, please do share it with your other writer friends so they can learn something new as well. I make regular content on how to write and make money, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future video like this. I'll see you again super soon with another new video. Until then, stay awesome and keep writing. Cheers!